What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Lendaris back at you with another video. Hey, it just got finished pouring out here real quick, and it was hot out here already, and the rain is only going to intensify things as far as the humidity. Seems like it's hotter out here now. Anyway, guys, I went and picked this cluster up from the pick and pull place, and it actually has the right connector. So this one came out of a F350, Ford F350 diesel. So, and the thing about it was, this was a fire. That whole truck front end was melted down or whatever. It was a fire basically, or it was an accident and the truck probably caught on fire. So hopefully this cluster is not damaged, or maybe the intensity of the fire probably melted something in there. I don't know. Who knows? But I got it anyway because it was the only one out there. Well, they had another F250, but it was just a regular gas truck. So they had two of these out here. So I'm going to go ahead and see. Man, it's hot out here. It's like 94 degrees out here. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this cluster and plug this one in there and see if anything happens or whatever, if it works. So let me go ahead and disconnect this. And I didn't know if you disconnect these things, your truck won't start up. This is fine, just going down. So you just gotta maneuver this thing up out of here. This one don't even have one. A reset button. This one don't even have one. So I'm probably wasting money. Just leave it alone. See, this one doesn't have the reset button like this one does. This one don't have it. This was one of them upgraded like F350 Lowrants or whatever you call them. What do you call them? Is it the Lowrant or Lamont or whatever? Lowrant model. A little fancy model. Anyway, let me see. All right, let's see. Man, it's hot out here. See, guys, I don't even do this much sweating when I got my pants on and my long sleeve shirt. When that heat hitting your skin, when that heat is hitting your skin, it makes you even hotter. All right, let's see if this thing starts up. Plug and play. Let's see. The moment of truth. And hopefully it works. Nope. Say it's locked. I wonder what that means. Tire pressure. Door ajar. It's just saying it's locked. This is probably where it gets into programming. Well, guess I wasted money on that. Well, guys, I think I'm just going to leave this thing alone. I'm not going to be able to see what the mileage is. They say the mileage still accumulates. I guess I got to get one of those machines readers that I plug up to here, and I can read my mileage that's on here. So I think that's going to be the last resort, because this stuff ain't really working out. Like I said, that thing says it's locked. Ain't even started. It says it has 174,000 miles, but I wonder if it's reading this or it's reading